mother, mother, mar, mar, mother, mar, mar, father, father, guar, guar, father, guar, son, son, gaddul, gaddul, son, gaddul, gaddul, daughter, daughter, ganyal, ganyal, daughter, ganyal, daughter, ganyal, ganyal, children, children, God, God, children, children, God, God, brother, brother, damar, damar, brother, damar, damar, sister, sister, nyamar, nyamar, sister, sister, nyamar, nyamar, sister, sister, nyamar, nyamar, mother, derwa mama, kiamar, mar lodna my mother, mish more your mother, mother lodna mar, father alono guar, guar malode sharaka baba, misan jogo guar lodna my father, me gur der larano your father, shwale gur, father guar, son, son, gat dul, son, gat dul, daughter, daughter, gat nyal, gat nyal, daughter, gat nyal, children, children, God, God, me gat kel ba chole child, child, mika gara when yamba chole God, which means children, children lorna God along one ka, brother, brother lorne damar. In this case, we call our damar. We are meaning damar shunga ko my brother. Misha wa damor lorne your brother. Damor lorne your brother. Damar lorne my brother. Kakujamo brother lorne damar. Sister, sister lorne nyamar, nyamar. Nyamar maloda ke English lot nore my sister. My sister mean nyamar, nyamar. Your sister mean nyamor, nyamor. Sister nyamar, sister nyamar. Nyamar mean my sister, my sister. Mother mar, mother mar. Mar mean my mother. More mean your mother. That's the meaning of mother here. Father mean guar. Guar mean my father. When you want to say your father in Tognat, you can say guar, guar, your father, guar. But this one, I mean my father mean guar, but your father gur. Your father mean gur. In this case, father mean guar. Guar mean in Tognat, my father. Son, son mean gaddul, gaddul. Daughter, ganyal, ganyal. Children, God, God. Brother, damar, damar. Sister, nyamar, nyamar. Sister, nyamar, nyamar.